In this video, we're looking at the profile download page template. And you can see here it is on the screen. Firstly, we'll look at the custom background image that you've got here, where you can see that faintly written text on the background. This is controlled in the color scheme settings, page color settings, overall page color options, where you can choose to upload your own image or even remove this one and select a color from below. Let's expand the controls so we can see the columns and the layout here. Above here we have this 3-column layout where it's got the image on the left and we're using the text block on the right here. Just to line it out, this is the same as the landing page template, so it keeps that consistency throughout your design if you're using both templates. Going further down the page, we have the image here which got the sketch drawn download type icon. Again, you could change that with your own image, maybe an image of your product or the video or something, an image that a person's going to download, like the report even. On the right here, we've kept the same text font coming across from the landing page template. Again, you can freely change these as well. We've got some spacer elements in here just to make sure it looks good on the eye when it's sort of lining up center with the image that you've got here. So if I hide the controls, you can see everything's neatly laid out. And that's where things like spacer elements can actually help you. Going further down the page, we've got the blue row here. You can change the color for going in here. There's some padding set on this row just to give it a bit of space between the top and the bottom. You could change the color here if you do decide to change it. Looking at this row as well, we've got lots of spacer elements in here. This is just to give it a neater alignment. And with these spacer elements, if you click on the little cogwheel icon, you can choose to hide these elements from mobile phones. So that means when viewing it on a responsive device or a mobile phone, it doesn't have lots of space between it. So it disappears on mobile phones, or you can even choose tablets as well. This button here is just a nice simple button element using the same blue color for the font. The styling of the button is set to 100% width, so it actually increases fully to the width of that column layout. Going further down, we've just got this element in here, which is the headline element. You can change that as you like, change the font styles as well. And then we've got the social sharing icons. As I've said before in other videos, if you use the social sharing icons, change this URL here to be the page of your landing page. So when people share it on social media, they're sending traffic to your landing page. So it's a great little tip there for you when you ever use these social sharing icons. Going further down at the bottom, we have the copyright notice added in here. And also you can add elements into this and add more rows as you like. So this is the download page template for the profile template series. So freely change it. As I said in the landing page video, if you change the colors, make sure you change the colors of the fonts and the background color here, and even the button color as well.